Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a Visa gift card to pay for an Amazon purchase. I'll walk you through the steps so you can see where to add the card and how to use it at checkout. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon website and sign in to your account. Find the product you want to purchase and add it to your cart. When you're ready, go to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the payment method section. Select the option to add a credit or debit card. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all the information matches the details on your gift card. After adding the card, select it as your payment method. Before placing your order, check the order total and make sure the Visa gift card has enough available funds to cover the purchase, including any applicable taxes or shipping costs. Keep in mind that Amazon may not support splitting a single purchase between a Visa gift card and another card in every situation. If the gift card doesn't have enough funds for the entire order, you may need to adjust your order or use another eligible payment method. If the Visa gift card is accepted, select it as your payment method and continue with the checkout process. Review your order details one more time, then place the order. And that is it. That is how you bypass Amazon's payment limits and safely spend your Visa gift cards. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more smart shopping tips. See you next time.